Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dodo Khan, and today we're diving deep into the essentials of life insurance agent training. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with actionable tips and strategies to help you succeed in the life insurance industry. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding life insurance. First, let's break down the basics. As a life insurance agent, it's crucial to understand the different types of life insurance policies. The two main types are term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance. This policy provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. It's often more affordable and is ideal for clients who want coverage during their working years. Permanent life insurance. This includes whole life and universal life policies. These offer coverage for the client's entire life and also have a cash value component that can grow over time. Understanding these products inside and out will allow you to better match your client's needs with the right policy. Section 2. Mastering sales techniques. Next, let's talk about sales techniques. The most successful life insurance agents aren't just selling a product, they're providing peace of mind. Here are 3 key techniques to keep in mind. Build trust. Start by establishing a relationship with your clients. Listen to their concerns and goals. When clients feel heard and understood, they're more likely to trust your recommendations. Educate. Don't sell. Instead of pushing a product, focus on educating your clients. Explain how life insurance works, the benefits, and why it's important. The more informed they are, the more comfortable they'll feel making a decision. Follow up. Persistence is key. Make sure to follow up with potential clients. Often, they need time to think things over. And a gentle reminder can keep the conversation going. Section 3. Overcoming objections. Now, let's tackle objections. Every agent faces objections, but how you handle them can make or break a sale. Here are a few common objections and how to overcome them. I can't afford it. Empathize with the client's financial concerns. Then explain how life insurance is an investment in their family's future. Offer them affordable options that fit their budget. I don't need it. Highlight the unpredictable nature of life and the importance of planning for the unexpected. Share real-life stories or case studies to illustrate the potential impact of not having coverage. I want to think about it. Acknowledge their need to think it over. But stress the importance of making a timely decision. You might say, I understand this is a big decision, and I want you to feel comfortable. However, waiting too long could mean losing the best rates or even leaving your loved ones unprotected. Section 4. Building a successful career. Finally, let's talk about building a long-term, successful career as a life insurance agent. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Continuous learning. The insurance industry is always evolving. Stay updated on new products, industry regulations, and sales strategies through regular training and professional development. Networking. Building a network of clients, colleagues, and mentors is essential. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with others in your field. Client retention. Maintaining relationships with your existing clients is just as important as acquiring new ones. Regularly check in with your clients to review their policies and update them as their needs change. Being a life insurance agent is about more than just selling policies, it's about helping people protect what matters most. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future training sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.